This question is actually a little bit tricky. Let's take a deep inside to see how we're solving this problem. So this is 5 friends here. They either has the blue or the brown eyes, and also they each enjoying 2 out of 4 activities, which is fishing, reading, piano, and drawing. After we read all these informations, and including that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra information they given to us, we find out there's nothing mentioned about the position, right? They didn't asking us they didn't tell us any information about which people sitting in the front, which people is sitting left, and which people is sitting right. So it's nothing related to the position. So we know this type of question is not a sequencing problem. It is matching problem. We only need to matching different groups of subjects together by using the tick or the cross. After we confirming this is a matching problem, our strategy is going to be very simple. What we're going to do is we're going to list all the persons as the different role, and we're using the different activities: fishing, reading, piano, and also drawing. As activities, I draw them in each column, of course, including the blue and the brown, the color of the eyes. I put them into even the column. So I start using tick or cross according to the information given to us to try to find out which is correct answer. Look at the information number 1. P like reading and fishing. Reading and fishing. Since each of the person only involve 2 activities, so very easily we can know that the P will not involve in piano and drawing. Same with the information number 2. Q like a piano and fishing, which means Q will not like reading and drawing. S like drawing, so we tick here, S like drawing. For the information number 4, everyone like fishing, except only 1 person with blue eyes, which means I know that is only 1 person who do not like fishing. 4 person like fishing, right? Totally is 5. So 4 person will like fishing. It's only 1 people do not like fishing, and I know that his color of his eyes is blue. That is the information number 4. From information number 5, everyone with brown eyes like reading. If you got brown eyes, you like reading. But let me ask you, from this information, what else we know? If your eyes is brown, you like reading. The counterpredictor is, if you do not like reading, then your eyes cannot be brown. This is also true, right? Contrapositional statement. But since we only got 2 colors of the eyes, if it's not brown, what color it will be? It's gonna be blue. So which means we get the information from number 5 is, if you do not like reading, then your eyes, the color of your eyes will be blue. So if that is true, we can take that back to our form to see. Look at P. P like reading. If you like reading, what color of your eyes? We don't know. Be careful. Here, we don't know. Because we only know if your eyes is brown, you like reading. But when you like reading, your eyes could be any color. We don't know. So P, we don't know anything about the color of P's eyes. But look at Q. Q do not like reading, right? Q we can easily find out. Q do not like reading because we cross here. If Q do not like reading, so Q's color, the eyes of Q's color must be blue. As you can tick, and we can cross brown. So we know the eyes color is blue. That's the information we can get. Then the next thing is, what else we know? Now the only confirmations we know is that the Q's eyes, the color is blue. But to look at each option, A, B, C, D, we don't know which one we should choose, right? Then we need to dig into more to find out what's other information we can deduce out. We can easily now know, just now we get the information from information number 5. Now we look at the information number 4. It's only one person do not like fishing. And we know that his eyes, the color is blue. Since it's only one person do not like fishing, P and Q, they both like fishing. So which means this person who is not like fishing can only be P, Q, it only can be R, S, or T. The person who do not like fish, who do not like fishing, no fishing, is only S, R, or T. So if these 3 possibilities, which one we should try first? What do you think? Which one we should try first? I say we should try S first. Why? Yes, because we already know some information about S. If we know some information about S, the thing's gonna be a little bit easier for us if we try starting from S. Okay, let's try first. If S is the one who do not like fishing, if S is the one who do not like fishing, if S is the one who do not like fishing, then what else we must know? S, the colors of the S must be blue, right? Because the one who do not like fishing, his color of eyes is blue. So which means if we assume S is the one who do not like fishing, then we can get yes, his eyes is blue. So sounds like B will be the correct answer. Q and R, S must all have the blue eyes. But be careful, because they're asking us what must be true, which means this conclusion, Q and S has the blue eyes, must apply to all the scenario, right? So let's try another possibility, which means S. Just now we assume S is the one who do not like fish. But let's try if S is the one who like fish. What can happen? If S is the one who like fish, then we know S like fishing and drawing. So which means S do not like reading and piano, right? Yeah, that is also for true. So if S is the one who like fishing, we'll know S like fishing and drawing, but S do not like reading and piano. Okay, now we know S also do not like reading. If S do not like reading, what's the conclusion we get? Yes, S's eyes is also blue. Which means no matter S is the one who like fish or S is the one who do not like the fish, we can also get the same consequence is S's eyes is blue. So now we are more confident to say B is the correct answer. Q and S, they always have blue eyes. That is the only answer, no matter in which scenario, is always true. You also can try A, C, and D. You will find out you cannot get the confirmed information. They must be true. Only B is correct answer.